Hi friends, welcome to a cattle farm. These are the cattle farm where it's controlled and managed by AngBeef. So as you can see, here are the loading area for the cattle. So the cattle come through a truck through there after it's being unloaded, and then the cattle being graded. After it's being graded, it being categorized on how good are they category. And then after that, the cattle, before enter our farm, it's been weighed. After it's been weighed, and then they have a special gangway to enter our farm. So all the cattle, before they enter our farm, they being graded, categorized, and weighed. All right, I hope I'll see you in our next video. See ya. Bye.